Welcome back guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Technical Fantasy, and in today's topic I would like to discuss about how to enter into the safe mode in a Redmi phone, Xiaomi phone. This phone is Xiaomi 10T Pro. So now I will show you on this phone, and before proceeding further I would like to request you please subscribe this channel. So not wasting much of your time, just press the power on off button for a long time. This 4 will come, just switch off the phone. Now phone is switched off. Now we will switch on the phone. Just press this power on button for a long time. Phone is getting on, and now we will press this volume lower key, and we will keep hold pressing volume lower key until this phone is getting on. As soon as this MI is coming, we have to press this volume down key and hold it. We are holding that. So we are seeing now at the lower left corner the safe mode is written and mobile is now in safe mode. So safe mode is operation is basically for third party apps. If we have any problem with third party apps, we can go into the safe mode. How to come out from safe mode is just go and reboot the device. Just tap to reboot. When it will be rebooted, when it will switch on, the phone will automatically in the normal mode. So the phone is rebooting now. Your phone has been rebooted. Now we enter the pattern and it is restarting. So now we can see that safe mode has gone. Now phone is in normal mode. We just go into the normal mode of operation. So this is all about how to go into the safe mode and how to come back from safe mode. Safe mode is required for third party apps. If there is any problem from third party apps, we can go into the safe mode, correct it and come back. So this is all about the safe mode operation in Xiaomi mobile. So that's all friend. If you like this video, please consider to subscribe the channel and share it with your friends. Thank you very much.